my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, what's today? Today is Sunday, and what's Sunday? It's Shoutout Sunday. I haven't seen you in a few weeks, and I wanted to make sure I did the shout out today. It's February 2nd. So, what do you say we get started? Most of you that watch me, you know that every couple of weeks I do a Sunday shout out. I try to shout out one of the smaller channels who I want to see grow. I want to see them grow. And I want to see all of you head on over to their channel and show them a little love. Because you know how it is. You don't spotlight them, they get lost in YouTube land. So we don't want that to happen. So what is the name of the channel that we are going to shout out today? Well, the name of that channel is In the Kitchen with Elisa. So congratulations, Elisa. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about Elisa's channel. She loves to bake and she loves to cook. And of course, you're going to see on there both sweet and salty treats from her. She started her channel somewhere around the same time I started mine. And we got to be YouTube friends. Now, Elisa now lives in Germany. She's from Finland, but she moved to Germany about 5 years ago. And she also used to study in the UK. She studied in Worcester, I think it's called, in the UK, and that's where she got her bachelor's degree. So she loves to bake and she loves to cook. And on her thumbnails, you're not going to see a picture of her. She's so great. Her photography is so good that every thumbnail reflects that. You're going to see a beautiful picture on her thumbnails, which will really draw you into her channel, that's for sure. It's funny because I think it was about 2 years ago, somewhere around there, maybe a little longer, I actually won a giveaway from her channel. And she heard me say on my videos that I love dark chocolate. So she sent me some dark chocolate from Germany, some Germany sweets. And also she sent me, it was around Christmas time, some little Christmas gifts. It was so exciting to get a package from Germany. So thank you again, Elisa. And she also does giveaways on her channel. Yeah, she does. And you'll see that on there. I'm gonna put a few photos on there of some of the things she's made on her channel. She has a lot of videos on there, lots. Some of the things she makes, well, she likes to make some of her Finnish, I think that's how you call it, from Finland, Finnish desserts, and also a lot of her others. She does cookie decorating, she'll do sweet recipes and savory. She has couple of videos on there where she made little figures out of fondant. Oh, there was a little baby on there, adorable. She makes cheesecakes. Oh, she's got some fantastic cheesecakes on there. She also does travel vlogs. She likes to travel. She does some DIYs. And you'll see holiday recipes on there. There's so much on her channel. And it's interesting because, I don't know, maybe about a year or so ago, I'm not sure exactly, she was notified from the university that she attended in the UK, and they were making a book. Let me see if I have the name of the book. Oh, they were doing a project, and it was called the Worcester International Cookbook. They were doing it in England, and they were going to have recipes in it from all over the world. And they contacted her to ask her if she would be willing to put a couple of recipes in there. Well, she was thrilled to death. In fact, one of her videos, I think it's called What This Cookbook Has to Do with Me. You'll see her unboxing the cookbooks that finally came, really nice hard-covered cookbooks. And she told us that she has 2 recipes she put in there. She submitted her Finnish blueberry pie, and she has a little history of the pie in the cookbook. And she also submitted her Scandinavian sandwich cake. Whoa, where do you see that one? You'll definitely have to look for that video. And she talks a little bit about them. And if you look at her video where she says, what does this cookbook have to do with me? You'll see that if you're interested, she tells you how you can order the cookbook. There's recipes, I think I told you already, from all around the world. Some of the things she has are, she has her German plum cake. Not in the book, I'm talking about on her YouTube channel. She has a German plum cake. She has a blackberry cheesecake. That one looks really good. What caught my eye was her super moist marbled chocolate banana bread. Where do you see the thumbnail on that one? And she has her peach and almond sour cream cake. Good. She's married. And like I said, she's living in Germany now. It's fun with YouTube because you can get to meet people and become friends with them from all over the world. She's a beauty. She has this long dark hair. And wait a minute. I know she has some videos on her orchids. She loves to raise orchids. And that's very interesting to watch. So, you know why I always do these videos. I want to help people out there. I want to show them some love. I want to bring the spotlight on them. I want them to get some new subscribers so it'll help their channel to grow. And I'm going to put the link to Elises channel in my description box. I would love for you to go over there, smash her little red subscribe button, and ring the little bell. Tell her the Baking Diva sent you, and I know she will be thrilled, and I know you will really enjoy seeing the amazing recipes she has on her channel. So, we can all use a little help from our friends. Isn't that a Beatles song? I get by with a little help from my friends. Don't laugh, I never said I could sing. Hey, and by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't have a problem with you going down below and hitting my red subscribe button. I could use a little help from my friends too. So anyway, I love you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all soon. Toodles!